Welcome to Off Roads and Places. Today you catch us on our way to Masai Ostrich Farm. So this will take us from Kiserian to Pipeline Road to a town called Birika. So as we leave Kiserian town, this town is getting a lot of traffic nowadays, so it's ridiculous. So if you don't need to go through Kiserian and say you're going to Ngong, there is a bypass for that, and I'll link that video on your top right, so you can have a look at that and you can evade the traffic that is in Kiserian town. As is the nature with growing towns, they are a hotbed for construction. As soon as you get out of Kiserian, you'll want to take a left turn right here. If you went straight on, you will be going to Kona Baridi. On this quite new road, I think the people who constructed this road are the same ones who constructed the road from Kiserian to Ngong. It's a really well done road. I don't know, they should be given contracts for everywhere. They put signage everywhere. And for the first time, I've seen on a road in Kenya a sign that says you can call a certain number if there is an emergency. And actually I have seen them. They have a truck and they move around. They actually have a truck and they move around, just troubleshooting, looking at the road and what have you. So I think that's really commendable on their end. If you continued with it, you will be going to Isinya. It has become a road that people who are into road trips really love. As with everything, the road looks even better from the sky above. And on this day, had really nice sky in the background. Really nice place to drive. I can't believe I've never driven on this road before, but yeah, it's a really nice road to drive on. It looks really nice. Looks really nice. So around 26 kilometers from Kiserian town, you'll get to this town. It's called Birika. And at Birika, unfortunately, there is signage to go to Masai ostrich farm, but it's quite beaten. You can't see it properly. But if you just slow down at Birika, you'll see a sign for Masai ostrich farm. So at this bit of the road, you'll take a left turn onto a rough road. The road itself is not that bad, it's motorable. I will be worried if you're driving on it after rains, because there are some bits of the road that are really not in good condition. But on this day, a dry day, it wasn't that particularly hard to drive on it, even with our small car. So from what I'm told, this road will take you to Kitengela as well, eventually. It will come off at the old Namanga road and get you to Kitengela. So this area has really nice scenery. It's a plain area, so not a lot of hills and covering and what have you. So captured these cows walking in the plain area. Passing those cows, we found this herd of cattle that had stayed put in the middle of the road, and it didn't matter what I did. It didn't matter that I hooted. It didn't matter that we banged the car. They wouldn't move. They wouldn't budge. So one of us had to get out of the car and slap some cow ass for them to make way for us. Can you see this cow? It was just chilling in the middle of the road, sat down, not a care in the world. Yeah, but it was an interesting stopover for us. We were there for probably 2 to 3 minutes, just waiting for the cows to move, and they looked like they weren't interested in anything that we were doing, and not just looking at us and very intransigent. So 9 kilometers from the main road, we finally got to the ostrich farm. It's on your right as you go down the road, so just watch out for the signage, but I don't think you'll miss it, because you start seeing the ostriches from quite afar, and you could see them walking around in their pens, in their cages. I don't know if they're cages or they're pens. So yeah, you'll know you've gotten there, and it's on your right, and it's got a really nice signage on it, so you wouldn't miss it. Once you get in, it's quite a large farm, so it's probably another 3 to 5 minute drive to get to the farmhouse and to the restaurant. So yeah, just be patient as you go in. That's the drive to Ostrich Farm. Please keep an eye out for the video of the ostrich farm itself. Now we look at their place. Thank you for watching, and again, if you like the content that please follow, share and subscribe. And if you have any comments, ideas of roads that you would like us to have a look at, or places that we should visit, please put it down in the comment below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.